Have you ever wondered how top YouTubers keep their viewers engaged from start to finish? Sure, having a great script and good editing is essential, but there's one crucial and often overlooked detail: sound effects. And if you're a creator, then you might know how difficult it is to get it just right. And that's why today we're going to generate our own sound effects using AI. So the tool we're going to use is ElevenLabs, and I'm going to show you how it works and also show you the top prompts that I use to increase your retention rate and keep your viewers coming back for more. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. So if you don't know already, ElevenLabs is a fantastic speech synthesis AI tool that will let you create AI voices with text and more. And recently, ElevenLabs has added a new sound effect feature, and that is what we're going to focus on today. So to get started with ElevenLabs, simply click on the link in the description down below, and you can go to their website here. And once you're here, just click on sign up. So you can use your Google account or an email to sign up. And I will talk everything about the pricing plan at the end of this video. By the way, I will also drop a link down below for the Google Sheet that include all the sound effect prompts that we're going to use in today's video. So you can download it and use it completely for free. Okay, now let me get started with all the prompts that we have today. After my research, these are the sounds that I think could be really useful for a YouTuber or a creator, or sometimes even for like filmmaking purposes. So as I said, the link is down below and you can download it for free. After you sign up, you will come to this interface here. And as you can see, text to sound effects is now live. So as I said, a new feature. And you can also see on the left-hand side, character quota. So for the free plan, you already have 10,000 characters per month. And that is about 10 minutes of audio. So I think this is perfect. You can just start generating sound effects right away. Now navigate to sound effects and let's try our first one. So I type transition whoosh, or let's do a short one. So just click generate. And now you have 4 options, so let's hear them. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. This is a bit too long. Okay. Okay, that's all too long for my YouTube video. So you can click on settings here and then you can pick the length. So let's reduce it to, let's say, 1 second. And you can also play with the prompt influence if you want more creative or you want to follow prompt. So let's just try this. Okay, generate again. Okay, let's hear them again. Now that's more like it. Okay, why not? Oh, I like that one actually. But they're like, I'm looking for like, whoom, just like, whoom. So we can generate again to try. So you can play with it, really generate a few times and change the settings and so on and so forth. So, okay, that's not too bad. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. Just a short like, whoom, for like changing the scene, kind of. Yeah, that one is also quite good. So if you like anything, then just click on download. And let me check the character quota. So we only use 200 something. So I think that's pretty reasonable. You can definitely find already some sound effects that you need for your YouTube videos. Let's move on to the next one. Let's try this impact hit. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Oh, short and sweet. I like that. Kind of, I don't know where to use it. Yeah, let's try another one. A notification bell. So good for YouTube videos. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Like, I can imagine using it, definitely, for sure. Oh, that too. Nice. Wow. I'm blown away. This is so good. Like, you don't even need to look for the perfect sound effect anymore. You just generate your own. So easy. Okay, this time let's do a mouse click, because sometimes you might want to add this to your videos if you're showing some tutorial kind of videos. Pretty good. More subtle, more slow. Yeah, they're all good. Like, seriously, I was looking for sound effects for ages, and now I don't even have to. What about a cartoon pop? So I'm imagining this like a bubbly sound. So let's see if it can read my mind. Exactly this. This is also good for different usage, but yeah, this is really good when you want to pop on something on the screen, for example. Like if you want to add an element to your video, I think this will be really suitable. Yeah, I like this, the third one. Also good. Yeah, so far everything is quite good, just like I imagined. So really, really impressive stuff. And what about this one? A cartoon boing. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't even know. But let's see. Yeah, this is kind of like a funny moment, I guess. That's not very, very pleasant. This is cute. Yeah, I really like them. Like, I'm having fun, really. I hope you can find your sound effect as well, because it's such a great tool. Okay, so this is something I use a lot, a keyboard like typing. So let's see. Let's hear them. Oh, I want something longer. So for this one, I'm looking for much longer. Let's just do 5. Wow, perfect. This sounds like someone like angrily typing, just smashing their keyboard. Okay, yeah, definitely can imagine using them. Oh, let's try this one, a Cha-Ching sound. So this is good if you have a make money online niche or finance or something like that. Could be interesting. Okay, this sounds really like a cash register. Super interesting. Okay. Wow. It's quite satisfying. Nice. Yeah, I like them. I don't think they're perfect yet, but you can generate a few times. Let's do a dramatic drum roll. It's like, drum roll, please. Okay, first one's more like it. Oh, this one is nice. Maybe a little bit longer would be nice. Awesome. This is so cool. Like, I'm enjoying it so much. I strongly recommend everyone to try this. You can definitely find something that you're looking for. This could be interesting. Retro game power up. Oh God. This is a crazy level up. Okay. Oh God. This is not my favorite one. So I think some of the sounds they can get it really well, but not others. Okay, you get the gist of it. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this could be funny. Horror scream. Okay. Oh God. This really sounds like something happened during the night. Wow. Holy shit. This is crazy. It's good that my mom is not with me, otherwise she would probably rush into my room and check on me. But this is really funny. All right, I suddenly just have this idea. I want to try something that's out of our prompts, but I type a middle-aged man saying, "Oh no." Let's see.
Oh no.
Okay, that's way too long. I want like, "Oh no."
Oh no.
Okay, like a southern accent maybe.
Oh no.
Wow, this guy is French.
Oh no.
God, this is a bit sultry. I don't know why. Let's let's decrease the length. 1 second and more follow the prompts. Let's see. Okay, try again.
Oh no.
It's more like it, but still.
Oh no.
Yeah, this I can imagine.
Oh no.
Oh no, that's funny.
Oh no.
Okay, so this is pretty good. So that means if you want some like comedy sounds, you can also have it do it. And finally, let's try some cinematic ones in case if you want to do something for films or short movies. All right. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Oh, this one is good. I want something like deeper. So kind of like this one. This is quite good also. So I have other cinematic ones. Let's try a few. Wow, this is amazing. This is exactly like what we see in the movie trailers. Wow. It's so good. Like I'm blown away, really. Also nice. Wow, this is shorter one, but the 1 and 2 were just incredible. Incredible. There's one more I want to hear, like an emotional piano score. Could be really nice. Wow. So good. Needs even longer, but that's so crazy. I wonder if they grab like a piece from any existing, songs, or they create something. Wow, even this one. It's amazing. Wow. Oh God. I think if you like generate a lot of times, you can definitely find something that you're looking for. It's so like diverse and it follows your prompts really well as well. So in general, I'm impressed. And just before we end this video, let me walk you through the pricing plans a little bit. And as you can see, we were still on free plan. So pretty crazy after all these like testing and all the prompts. I still have 7,000 characters. And this renews every month. So I think this is really good. So as you can see, $0 forever. You have some speech generation. You have synthetic voices. You have sound effects and all that. You have the dubbing as well. So all these features I'm going to talk in other videos. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you need more length for the audio, such as like more than 10 minutes, then you can, but it's also super affordable. It's crazy. And then you also have other plans such as creator. And the difference is mainly on like the length of audio. So really depending on your needs, you can upgrade or not. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. And as I said, the prompts are down below so you can download them and go create your sound effects. Okay, with that said, I will see you in the next video.